Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from LPM School. In this video, we are discuss about the concentration of solution and second measurement, that is volume by concentration of solution. Concentration of solution and second measurement, that is volume by volume percentage. Volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage. So volume by volume percentage, it will be expressed as volume by volume percentage is equal to volume of solute is divided by volume of solution. Volume of solution. So volume by volume percentage is equal to volume, means that it is defined as that is the amount of solute is present in per unit volume in a solution. Or 100 ml solution. So it is defined as the amount of solute is present in per unit volume in a solution. Is present in per unit volume in a solution or in 100 ml solution. It's called volume by volume percentage, and it is mathematically expressed in volume by volume percentage is equal to volume of solute is divided by volume of solution into 100. Now let's take some example on this basis, that is, suppose 20% alcohol is presented in a solution. 20% alcohol is present in a solution. What is this mean? What is the meaning of this statement? This means that suppose in terms of volume by volume percentage, that is solution is equal to solute plus solvent. 20 ml alcohol plus solvent means 20 ml is dissolved in 100 ml solution. Definitely 100 ml solution. What will be the solvent? So solvent is equal to 100 minus 20, which is equal to 80 ml solvent. So in 20% alcohol present in solution means that the 80% is solvent and 20% is solute, and which is equal to 100 ml solution. So now question is that 10 ml alcohol present in 100 ml solution, present in 100 ml solution. Calculate volume by volume percentage. Calculate volume by volume percentage. So formula is that volume by volume percentage is equal to volume of solute, that is 10 ml, and volume of solution, that is 100 ml into 100. So it will be cancelled by 100 to 100, and volume by volume percentage is equal to 10%. 10%. So 10 ml alcohol present in 100 ml solution. So thing is that what is the volume by volume percentage? So formula will be volume of solute and is divided by volume of solution into 100. After calculation we will find the 10% volume by volume percentage solution. So now take another question. Question that is 25 ml of ethanol. 25 ml of ethanol present in 150 ml. Present in 150 ml. Present in 150 ml of its aqueous solution. Of its aqueous solution. Of its aqueous solution. What is the concentration of the solution? What is the concentration of the solution? What is the concentration of the solution? So the concentration is, in case of volume by volume percentage, so there is volume by volume percentage is equal to volume of solute, that is 25 ml. Volume of solute is divided by volume of solution into 100, and applying this formula 25 ml and divide by 150 ml into 100, and after that calculation that, and here is that, so 0.01667 into 100, after removing this p value, that is 16.67% of volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage. So in this way we can find the value of this concentration of solution in the reference of volume by volume percentage. Next question is that 30 ml bromine dissolved in 270 ml carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Calculate concentration in volume by volume percentage. Now state the formula is same applied on this question, that is 30 ml bromine. Bromine is a solute where the 270 ml of carbon tetrachloride is solvent. Now volume by volume percentage, that is mass of solute 30 ml, but it is not a mass of solution, volume of solution. ये volume of solution नहीं है, देखिए volume of volume by volume percentage is equal to volume of solute is divided by volume of solution. Solution को यहाँ पे ये solution नहीं है, it is only solvent. तो solution is equal to solute plus solvent. Solute plus solvent. तो solute कितना है? 30 plus 270 is equal to 300. Now put the value, that is volume by volume percentage is equal to volume by volume percentage is equal to 30 upon 300 that is 300, because addition of solute plus solvent 300 into 100. So 0 to 0 cancel, and volume by volume percentage is equal to 10%. So in this way we can calculate the value of concentration of solution in the reference of volume by volume percentage. Now question is that calculate the volume percentage of 40 ml alcohol dissolved in 500 ml of solution. Now what will be the, now apply the same formula for this question, that is volume by volume percentage. volume of solute, volume of solvent into 100. After that, put the value of this volume of solute. Volume of solute, that is 30 ml. So 30 ml, I write it here. And after that, volume of solvent, volume of solution. Volume of solution. So 500 into 100. Now 0 cancel. That is volume by volume percentage is equal to 30 upon 5, 6%. Volume by volume percentage is 6%, because we divide by 6. So in this way we can calculate the value of volume by volume percentage. Now another question that is common for you. Question: begin. A sanitizer is formed by mixing of 8.5 ml ethanol, not solution. Simple, not too advanced. Solution and 8.5. Remember that 8.5 ethanol with 80 ml of water. Calculate volume by volume percentage. Calculate volume by volume percentage. Simple है, easy, and answer will be the exact 9.6%. Volume by volume percentage. And how to solve it and apply the formula. Volume by volume percentage is equal to volume of solute is divided by volume of solution. Volume of solution into 100. Apply this value. Solution कितना हो जाएगा? Solution यहाँ पे 8.5 ml ethanol है, solute है, और 80 ml है water है, not solution. So after adding the 8.5 into 80, you will find the solution of this volume. आप दोनों ऐड कर देंगे तो सॉल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम मिल जाएगा. सो 8.5 plus 80 is equal to 88.50 ml is form. Solution. Solution का वॉल्यूम. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर